Let's make duck fat Parmesan truffle fries in the air fryer.
First, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. Then in a bowl, toss frozen French fries with duck fat, truffle salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then we'll air fry that for 14 to 16 minutes, tossing halfway through until perfectly crispy. Then we'll transfer the fries into a large bowl and drizzle it with some truffle oil and toss to coat. Then we'll add most of the Parmesan in and all the dried thyme. Then we'll toss it again. Then we'll serve it hot right away with the rest of that Parmesan sprinkled on top. And there you have it, gourmet French fries at home. Thanks for cooking with me.
So good.